everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 645 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have another Dollar Tree makeup product to try out. This is from the brand The Color Workshop, the Poolside Glam collection, and this is their highlighter. And it does not have a shade name on it, but I'm pretty sure there were two highlighters in the display at my Dollar Tree of the Poolside Glam collection, which I did take a picture of that display, so I'm going to insert that so you can see all of these exciting new products at the Dollar Tree. I did already try out their liquid lipstick, and for a $1 liquid lipstick, I was so impressed. It was a beautiful color, it was long lasting. It was so funny because I actually had my first party at my new house. I had a Halloween party over the weekend and my sister dressed up as Cupid and she wanted to put kiss marks all over her. And I was like, ooh, I have this really pretty pink, long-lasting liquid lipstick that I just got. You can try it out. And she kissed all over her arm and made a bunch of kiss marks, and it lasted the whole night into the next day. She was trying to get them off and they looked really good. So I'm like, wow, this is like a multi-purpose lipstick. So if you want to see my review on that product, I will have that video linked down below. But I've been liking the Color Workshop products and I just think the packaging on this is so cute. This Poolside Glam. There's a better view. And these products are not tested on animals. They're $1. You know what? The liquid lipstick I'm talking about is actually from the brand Remy Rose. That's the new brand at the Dollar Tree. So forget what I was just saying about the Color Workshop liquid lipstick. I'll still link that liquid lipstick down below. But the product from the Poolside Glam collection that I tried out was actually the bronzer, which I really like. And so I'm hoping that I'll like this highlighter as much as I like that bronzer. I also really love the Color Workshop blushes. So I will link the bronzer and the blush in the description down below if you want to see my videos on those. But this highlighter, same packaging, same size as those bronzers and the blush, but let me see. Is the texture the same? Feels a little bit drier. You know what? So this, it doesn't actually have shimmer in it, and it's actually matches my skin tone pretty closely. So I don't think that this is going to work as a regular highlighter where we like to have that blinding glow. I mean, I'll go for it, I'll try. I'm gonna pick up a little bit on my fluffy brush, but there's no shimmer or a reflection to this, so yeah, it's not going to really give me a highlighted effect. But since it actually kind of matches my skin tone, can I use it as a pressed powder? As maybe a way to set my makeup? I'm just applying it over my nose right now because that's where I have large pores and I want to see how this sits and covers those up. It doesn't really have much coverage or pigment to it, but it's mattifying. So I'm probably gonna end up using this as a touch-up powder for when my skin gets greasy and I just want to mattify it, because it is a pretty good shade match for me. Although it doesn't really give any coverage the way that a powder foundation would. So I kind of just feel like this is a little blotting powder. I'm definitely bummed that this is not what I expected it to be, but I'm still kind of glad that I'm still going to get use out of it. But this is such a small amount of powder to be a full face powder, setting powder. So I'm sure I'm going to go through this very quickly. How does it look if I apply it on my under eye? kind of brightening and it looks pretty smooth on the skin. If you have a deeper skin tone than I do, then this could work for that kind of contour and highlight to apply to the high points of your face, blend it out so that it's lighter. But since this is not lighter than my skin tone, I can't use it for that type of highlighting to contrast the contours. And I'm pretty sure this was the lightest shade that the Dollar Tree had. So if you're looking for a blinding highlighter, don't get this. But if you're just looking for, you know, setting powder, a mattifying powder, and you're at the dollar store and you want a $1 version, hey, try this. Although I just feel like you're not getting that much product and it's not really worth $1 if that's what you're going to use it for. You know what else I could probably use this for, which actually would be really good, is to set my eyelids, like my eye primer. So let's see how it does as an eyeshadow base. I mean, like I said, it doesn't have much pigment to it, so it doesn't really make much of a difference. But I do like to set my eyeshadow primer, whether that's, you know, the Urban Decay Primer Potion or just concealer. I do like to set the eyelid with a powder, just this shade, before going in with eyeshadow. So that's actually probably the perfect use for this, in my opinion. So instead of a highlighter, I came up with a bunch of different uses for this, so I'm actually pretty happy that I have this in my collection now. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.